Uh, it's really easy to take the test because the Unity Centre is located quite centrally in Rotherham. There's a car park if somebody needs to drive. You come in and you're greeted and you're signposted to where you need to go to. You're able to use your smartphone, or the individual logs onto the laptop and registers to you, and they explain to you the process to actually take the test. It takes a few minutes, so very easy, I would say. If you do have to self-isolate, there are a number of support mechanisms. There are groups and other support available where you can contact for information, where you'll be provided with support through those organisations and individuals.
Hi everybody, my name is Angam. I'm the SENSE Centre Manager at Coleridge Road, which supports people with learning disability and complex need. Today we fetched one of the people we support called Jackie to have the LFT test, and that went really well. We were welcomed by the staff, which then took all Jackie's details, and then the member of staff did the test. Sometimes you could have COVID but not show the signs or symptoms, so if you were to come and have your test, you know obviously if you've got it or you aren't. It's protecting the others, protecting your community, and it's really important, especially with COVID. We've been through so much that we come together. If you were to test positive and you've got COVID, remember, as a community we work together, we can support you. There's so many services out there for you to access, whether it's the food bank, somebody dropping you food, getting your prescription. If you live in supported living, you will have that service already, but if you live in the community, remember there is a help out there for you. It's also really important that when we are accessing multiple services, so if you go into the day centre, you go into another community centre, please remember to come and have your test, because you do not want to be spreading through different services. So it's really important that you come in, you have your test, and you go and access your other services, what you do on a daily basis. Please remember, encourage your family and friends to come and have their test done. We would love to get back to some normality, and this is the way, by you coming to have your test, by the test showing whether you've got it or not. Please remember, even though if you have your test, we still have to social distancing, and it's working as a community, working together for a better future. Thank you.
I am Amar Hafiz, Imam at Jamia Masjid Abu Bakr, Eastwood. It's a very simple procedure, you just follow, takes a couple of minutes, very simple, straightforward, nothing complicated. It's important to be tested to protect yourself, to protect your family. You may be carrying COVID-19 but you don't know, so just for your own comfort of mind, to protect your family, it's important that you regularly get tested. There is no harm for the Muslim community to be vaccinated in Ramadan, and we can continue being tested. There's no harm in this. If you are tested positive, it's not something to worry about. There is a lot of support available in the community. Every one of us wants to return to normality, our normal day-to-day life, where we can go about our days and our life and go to the places and do the activities that we would normally do. And in order for us to return to that normality, it's important that we are tested regularly so that we can minimize the risk of passing on COVID.